This is Eric Mother with Mother.com with another video, and we are going to do another follow-up video on BYND, and I'm going to link the previous videos in the description of the video. So take a look here. We can see that there's a threat of breaking below the recent weekly closing low at 144.77. So the risk here is, as long as it is breaking below that price, if it remains below that price, this is a major red flag with high probability that the odds are now shifting from a sideways range where the stock has been trading for a couple of months. If this break below 144.77 continues, this is a major red flag, and traders can anticipate much aggressive lower price levels. Let's not forget we had a major run here in the stock, coming from under 30, going all the way to 240 about. So there's nothing that prevents this stock from giving back most of those gains as we go into the next couple of months. So I would watch that 144.77 number, and keep in mind, we can see here the MACD looks like it is making a move to fresh lows, and we can see that, the RSI is making a move to fresh lows here, and now the MACD is making a move to fresh lows and also moving below the MACD zero line for the first time ever. Oh, by the way, I should also point out this might be its first slash on a weekly time frame below RSI 61.8. So you combine all these things, and this is shaping up more than likely to be a situation where the stock is breaking down and the risk is now elevated for lower prices, given all these multiple red flags as discussed here. I would watch that 144.77 level. Anything below that would be and continues to be very bearish. This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C.